My name is Amala Babu Thomas. I'm a junior studying environmental engineering with a minor in peace and justice studies.
Hi, my name's Caitlin Fortuna. I'm a sophomore majoring in computer science and engineering.
Hi, my name is Jiaji Jawara. I'm 20 and I am majoring in mechanical engineering with a minor in math at the University of Toledo. I am a sophomore. I'm about to enter my junior year this fall.
Hello, I'm Noah Jones. I am a junior and I am studying chemical engineering here at the University of Toledo.
Hi there, my name is Alia Baseso, and I'm a bioengineer here at the University of Toledo, and I'm a junior.
As an international student coming to the US, I knew I wanted to get involved right away here at the University of Toledo. The first organization that I was a part of was the Catholic Students Association. Then I got involved with the Roy and Marcia Arms Engineering Leadership Institute. This engineering organization has helped me grow a lot in my leadership skills, network with a lot of people within the College of Engineering, and also network with a lot of higher ups in different industries. With this organization, I was also able to travel to Europe. We went on a trip called Sustainability in Europe and was able to visit Austria, Slovenia, and Italy and see their sustainable practices and compare them to the United Nations sustainable practices. I'm also involved with the presidential ambassadors and the Mortarboard National Senior Honor Society here at the University of Toledo. Through this organization, I'm able to be part of a lot of service events and give back to the university, which has given me and helped me grow as an
I'm
individual.
involved in the Engineering Leadership Institute, the University of Toledo Engineering Council, Pi Beta Phi, Bridge, and the Biomedical Engineering Society for Engineers. And it's really important to be involved on campus for volunteering opportunities, but also in order to grow your leadership.
Hi, so here at the University of Toledo, I serve as the Vice President of the National Society of Black Engineers. I also serve as the Vice President of the African People Association. I'm also a member of the Society of Women in Engineering, and I serve as the National President of the National African Student Association. I just feel like by being involved, you get to meet so many more people. You get to develop your college experience, make meaningful connections.
So at the University of Toledo, we have a class called Professional Development, which helps us work on our interviewing skills, how to get a job, how to handle offers, how to handle ourselves in workplace situations, and how to handle ourselves in a professional way.
A class that was really substantial for me is electrical engineering and computer science professional development. We had a faux fair, which is a fake mock career fair, where we had a chance to meet with employers and do mock interviews and receive feedback. This helped me gain further confidence and create connections.
Through our coursework, we alternate between classes and co-ops. So right now I'm currently in summer classes preparing for my fall co-op at Johnson & Johnson in the fall. And then from there, I'll come back to classes, go on co-op, back to classes, co-op until I graduate.
In March of 2022, as a freshman coming into the University of Toledo, Shaw Center presented me with the amazing opportunities to travel to Cleveland on a spring alternative break trip. This trip helped me go and visit different companies like Lubrizol, Sherwin-Williams, Steris, and see how the real world industries and opportunities it presents to a lot of engineers. This trip also helped me make a lot of friends and build a lot of networking connections that I still use to this day.
In order to prepare yourself for job offers and interviews in the Career Expo, I went to a Career Expo crash course with Owens Corning, and I also went to mock interviews for professional development along with a Biomedical Engineering Society resume check with alumni.
I've gone on one site visit, but I know there's many other opportunities to go on site visits throughout the years as well. I took a tour of a nearby terminal of Marathon, and so I had experience in the oil field. So getting the chance to see another area of something that I'm already familiar with was very, very enriching. And the people that we tend to work with when we start working directly with companies, they're really nice. They are so engaged.
In order to help us secure our co-ops, the Shaw Center and our co-op directors go out of their way to reach out to companies and they all go to a career expo in Savage Arena, and there's about 160 to 200 companies that go there. And it's a really great way to network, but also find a co-op for you. And I actually received a few offers from there, and it was a really great opportunity to work on my interviewing skills.
This summer, I'll be interning with General Motors, which is one of the biggest companies for car manufacturing. And it took a lot of work, but by being involved on campus, I got to have, I'll say, more opportunities for access to co-op and internships.
When securing a co-op, you have to make sure it's the right one for you. So when I received a job offer from a company, I decided to go take a plant tour with them just to make sure that it was the place for me. And I got to see what went on behind the scenes. I got to see all their processes, and I got to meet a lot of the people that worked there, and it was a really cool experience.
During fall of 2022 career fair, I was able to secure my first co-op with Applied Environmental Solutions. On this co-op, I was able to do a lot of comprehensive testing for nutrients and finding out new nutrient recovery methods to help our eutrophication and improve our algal bloom systems in the lake area. As a field process engineering intern, I was able to work independently in documenting different procedures and optimizing our recovery methods. I'm also doing an undergrad research with Dr. So, who's an environmental engineering professor, here at his lab, working on algal blooms and improving eutrophication in our lakes.
I previously did a co-op with Highland, which is a document software company in Westlake, Ohio. On my co-op, I was a DevOps engineer, which is working with Amazon Web Services and learning a new coding language to transform data from databases to the cloud. Through this co-op, I found my newfound passion for cloud computing.
Go Rockets!